Hi, I'm Chantelle Nicholson, chef owner of Apricity restaurant in London and holder of a green Michelin star. As you may know, 1/3 of the world's food is wasted. So I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks today as to how we can minimize that. So we're going to be making a spiced Veg-Kraut, which we're going to then turn into a fritter. This is a great recipe to use up any veg that's kind of on its last legs or lying around in the bottom of your fridge. So we're going to make the paste first, which uses ginger, garlic, red chillies, touch of vinegar, a little bit of brown sugar to add a little bit of sweetness, and then a good dose of salt. So we're going to blend that into a paste. So we've got our paste. So I've got some celeriac, some swede and some carrot. Mix it through the paste and then pack it into a jar. This is a good seasonal recipe too, so if you've got vegetables, no matter what the time of year, it's a great way to be able to use them. So pop the lid on and leave to ferment in a nice warm place for about a week. So here's some I made earlier. So we've got our spiced Veg-Kraut. This was made about 3 weeks ago. As you can see, it's kind of nicely broken down slightly. There's some really powerful, flavorful liquid in there, and we're going to turn this into a fritter. So pop the kraut into a bowl with all of the liquid. And then I've got some gluten-free self-raising flour. So this is a gluten-free recipe, but this has also got some raising agent in it as well, so it'll make the fritters a bit more fluffy. And you just need a touch of water to loosen up the batter. As the kraut's quite seasoned, you won't need to add any salt. So we're just going to heat up some oil in a non-stick pan. Just pop small spoonfuls into a pan and brown on each side. So brown them for a couple of minutes on each side until they're nicely golden and cooked through. So here's our spiced Veg-Kraut fritters, which are really great to serve with a bit of mayonnaise or with a salad, or even for brunch with a fried egg.